Nissan Qashqai, ki so mu letos namenili osvežitev v srednjem življenjskem ciklu, je bil ob prvi predstavitvi pred natanko 10 leti začetnik povsem novega avtomobilskega razreda. Kaj je tedaj Nissanovo vodstvo vodilo k odločitvi za novi avtomobil?
It was a revolutionary vehicle, an industry-changing car. Nissan identified an unmet need in the marketplace that customers were looking for more kind of a strength and practicality of a 4x4, which was fused together with a low running cost and agile dynamic driving of a hatchback. So that's how the concept of the Qashqai has been born.
In kako vidijo pri Nissanu Qashqaijev položaj danes, ko že dolgo ni več edini predstavnik svojega razreda?
Since Qashqai's first launch back in 2007, more than 20 competitors' products arrived on the marketplace. And we actually find with that, in fact, it pushed us to raise our game in terms of technology, innovation and design. In 2016, our sales more than doubled those of 2007. And so far, we have sold more than 2.3 million vehicles. No other rival has sold more. So I think we have a super strong base, super strong heritage to continue.
Varova nam je pojasnila tudi bistvo sprememb, ki so jih z osvežitvijo namenili Qashqaiu.
The new Qashqai's enhancements can be summarized in 4 points. It is a new contemporary exterior design, the refined interior that is normally seen in the segment above. Of course, Nissan's latest intelligent mobility features, as well as reinforced and refined dynamic driving performance.
Hkrati z osveženim Qashqaijem je Nissan predstavil tudi podobo osveženega X-Traila.
X-Trail is the largest of our 3 crossovers. Ever since 2000, it has been recognized by media and customers as a highly versatile and capable car. In fact, in 2016, it became the world's best-selling SUV with the sales of more than 766,000 cars sold worldwide. Our customers said that they were looking more that crossovers were better suited for their lifestyle rather than pure 4x4, which is the DNA and core expertise of X-Trail. So X-Trail adapted. And in 2014, Nissan offered to the customers a modern family SUV.
Prihodnjo pomlad bo Nissan s Qashqaijem, z X-Trailom in nekoliko pozneje tudi Leafom ponudil tudi zametke avtonomne vožnje v obliki sistema ProPilot.
ProPilot is the first step in Nissan's journey towards autonomous driving. It will control your steering, acceleration and braking on a single lane in highway, in both traffic jam congestions as well as high-speed cruising.